Xylophone. Play the xylophone. Learn to play music on this realistic digital xylophone. Set instrument preferences. Customize the look of the xylophone. Insert into mozaBook. Insert the musical instrument into your publication as interactive content. Multi-user mode. Use the tool on a multi-touch device. Let's find out how to use the Xylophone tool, learn how to play and customize the xylophone, as well as how to insert this tool into mozaBook. Click on the bars on the xylophone to play the corresponding sounds. You can switch between solfege syllables and notes on the C major scale, or disable these labels completely. Click here to switch between metal and wooden bars. Click on the speaker icon in the bottom right corner to adjust the volume. Click here to change the orientation of the xylophone. Click on this icon to insert this tool into your publication as interactive content. Several users can play the instrument at the same time using a multi-touch device, for example, an interactive board. Visit our website for further information on mozaBook tools.